You guys have your commander hats on today? I got my space glasses on. I think we're ready to roll. What do you think? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Welcome to Solon Elementary. We're going on a space adventure. Okay, answer this for me. Is Pluto a planet or not?
Pluto is not a planet anymore.
Come on. Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think Pluto is a planet?
Well, from what I've learned, no, but I'd like him to be a planet.
I would too.
We're gonna gently, and when I say gently, you guys, how many of you actually take them apart like that and eat the cream? No. Yeah. That's my joke.
Tell us a little bit about what we're going to see in the classroom today.
Today, we're learning the phases of the moon, and we are doing a reader's theater. The kids have shown a great interest in aliens.
But actually, you scared us. What do you guys want?
Indeed. Well. Oh, did I miss a part?
You start. We laugh for 10 seconds.
Indeed. Well, how's... What?
We've been reading about the solar system, so the students have learned about the sun being our star, the center of our solar system. They've learned about all of the planets orbiting and how long it takes each planet to orbit the sun. And our year and our seasons are based on us orbiting around the sun. This one we're going to do the first quarter and the third quarter. What do we remember about the first quarter? It is a half moon. Good job, guys.
You think this is going to work? Cut it like that? Look at that. Tell me about the moons and the cookies. How does that come together? What was the activity about?
Well, it was about the moon, how it goes from being a new moon to like a crescent, then a half moon, then it keeps going around. Every 30 days, there's a new moon.
That was worth the wait right there.
We have worked so hard on our astronomy unit, so here's what we're gonna do. You guys are gonna work as teams.
What are we going with here?
E.
E?
Hot.
You don't think it's ice?
No.
No, duh, right? How about liquid metal?
No.
No? No? You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
B. Put on B.
All right, I see lots of B's out there. Let's check.
Yes.
All right.
The Earth's distance from the sun, the rotation speed. You think C? Why do you think C?
Because Earth does
Uh-huh. And so when it rotates around, sometimes it's farther away, and other times it's closer, which would make it warmer or colder, right? What do you think?
I think C too.
You think C too?
Okay.
I think we got it right there.
Yeah.
Here it comes. Here comes the answer.
I love these kids when they learn something new and their face lights up. They have a little sparkle in their eye, or they accomplish something that they've never been able to do before. That's why I do it.
Thanks for joining us on our space adventure. We'll see you next time.